As a New Zealander who frequently turns to natural products to assist with health issues, I do not believe regulations of all natural health products and ingredients that claim to be benefit is necessary. You know, there's still time to put in your submission for the natural therapeutics goods bill that is going to be passed on the 5th of March. I want to show you how to make an objection to the therapeutics products bill. It's super important at the moment. This bill that's being passed by the government is just absolutely wrong. In this website here, I've got a lot of information that's been compiled by a whole heap of experts here. I've got some links how and what to do to make an objection to the therapeutics products bill. So let's have a look at the website. In here we have got a countdown timer here showing us that submission, which is now due on the 5th of March. Simply click on the middle of this video and it will play this video that I'm speaking about at the moment. Step 1 is signing the petition. Step 2 is getting your letter template to be able to submit and adjusting it. And then step 3 is actually lodging your submission as well. Down here I also have the option of getting all this information emailed to you as well. So you sent directly to your inbox just by putting in your name there and then your email address in this area here and pushing send. Back to the main page here with the video and instructions on how to submit your objection to the therapeutics goods. We go in step 1 here, we can click on sign the petition. Once you click on that, it will take you to the New Zealand Parliament page for clicking on signing the petition. This is all put together. The petition part of it was actually written up by and put together by Sue Gray. At the moment, it only has 4,017 people that have signed this petition. We need a lot more than that. There is a huge amount of people in New Zealand that are dependent and relying on these natural products, and businesses will be affected. So go to the petition page, simply click on this sign petition here in the yellow box. This will then take you to the next page part where you can fill out your first name, your last name, and your email address. You then click on confirm that I've read and agree with the privacy disclaimer, and then simply click on sign petition down here. Step 2 is getting your letter template. So you simply click on that. A Word document will open up. A friend of mine sent me this. Objection to the therapeutics products bill. I'll go through and I'll copy all this by right clicking and choosing copy. I will then open up a blank Word document, right click and choose paste, and that'll put all that in there as well to make it look a bit more better and change it around a little bit just to suit myself as well. So I'm going to take out some of that body there, add my name, the date as well. If you want to be heard, if you want to have an oral standing with this as well, you can also put your details in here. But now once that's all been sorted out and fixed up and changed around, I'll then go to file and then go to print and then print the document by clicking on printing document. You can also get this document ready by going into the file and print, and then by selecting print to PDF. By printing to PDF, it will then turn this document here into a PDF file for you, which you can upload to the website. Now that the document has been printed up and ready to go and signed, what I have done is I've just been to the post office, got myself a little $5.20 envelope here. I've filled out the details from where it needs to be posted to at Parliament. A little piece of cardboard which it says here, objection to the therapeutics products bill. This has been cut nicely so that it will fit inside this envelope. So I'll place that inside the envelope as well, and I'll fold it up this letter into 1/3, and I will now put the letter inside the envelope as well. Now it's time to go to the post office and hand it in. But before I go back to the post office, third step is going to lodge the submission on the government website. So simply go down here, click on this. It'll take you then to the therapeutics products bill page for New Zealand Parliament and how to make a submission. So for me, I'll be making it as an individual. So I've clicked on as an individual. I've been advised that I should make an oral submission because it has more standing and a bit more power. So I'll click on yes. And then the next over here on the right hand side. The next step is to fill out my details, phone number, postal address and postcode, and the region over here is. Follow the details there. I will push next. Now once I have put my details in, it'll take you to part 2 of your submission. So I've now filled out your details. It is now part 2 of the submission, and that is to choose a file to upload. So I've gone to the folder where I stored that PDF file printed from the document. I'll click on that and then choose open. That file has now been uploaded. The next step is here they want us to make some comments. So I'll go back into here, into the Word document that I printed out, and I will highlight that first paragraph there for them, copy it, and go back into here. And as a New Zealander who frequently turns to natural products to assist with health issues, I do not believe that the regulation of natural health products, ingredients that claim to benefit health, is necessary. I absolutely refute that. An enabling bill which essentially grants any entity the power to bypass a system of normal checks and balances we now have is of benefit to New Zealand. I'll go back into the Word document, and I'm going to copy this one. I'll copy this last paragraph here and put it into the bill. I wish to make the following recommendations. Control V to paste it. There is no justification for this bill, and the planned regulations. EU research shows that natural products to be 45,000 times safer than pharmaceutical drugs. This massive overreach from our government, I recommend that this bill be removed from consideration and do not consent to the Therapeutics bill being implemented in any way, shape or form into legislation. And now the next step is to push next. I'll then click on submit. Now it takes you to a thank you page saying that the online submission is complete. There you go, it's done. That's how easy it is. And I'm also really excited as well to be offering you as a free bonus the Healing Web. The Healing Web map exposes the truth about the health industry. So you can download a copy of this all completely for free. Here it is. Here is a copy of it here. I'll go into a little bit of detail in a minute. But it also says here the Healing Web is a bi-hemisphere index of holistic and illogical remedies for most of the common illnesses and conditions. So you can download a free copy of it here by clicking on this link and it will come up. But as you can see in the middle here, we've got all of the health conditions and chronic health conditions that it goes all the way down the middle. On the left hand side here we have got the big pharmacy remedies and vaccines and pills and potions that these guys have put together to be able to keep you dependent on the system. Over here on the other side we've got the holistic natural medicine alternatives for all these different ailments and conditions down the middle here. Print this out, get it for free. This is an absolutely awesome healing web that has been put together. Not many people know about it. That's why it's important to get this out there as well, because it's got a huge amount of natural remedies. I think it is absolutely amazing. A few other people that have already put together some excellent, awesome information regarding what's going on with the Therapeutics Goods Act, and I've compiled some of that into this page here simply by clicking on the resources and links video. That'll take you to this page here. In here I've got 3 videos there that you can watch to get more information. There's also some important info and links down here as well. A really good video to watch is the one that was put together by Kiwi Voice. That has a detailed look into what's going on with the Therapeutics Goods Act. New Zealand Doctors Speaking Out with Science, they have a excellent page there as well, which will give you a little bit of information, about some templates, how to submit and what to do with your submission if you want to go and have a look at that. We've also got Voices for Freedom page and what they can do about it as well, and what they're suggesting there on their page. Again, this page has got the countdown timer saying that we've now got this amount of time left before the submission closes on the 5th of March 2023. Thank you for watching. It's done. That's how easy it is. I've got my little letter here as well with my bit of cardboard in there saying it's an objection to the Therapeutics Products Bill.